Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings or Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 119. So here it is. Let's read the story. It was director Gu Lingfeng. I'd better negotiate with him, postponing the audition date. Well, definitely. Opportunities wait for no one. Sister Wei, right now, Chi Xingyun. She was so eager to go to auditions. Well, Sister Wei, we can take any chances. But you are in the state right now. Can you perform well if you go there? Of course, she will do anything to get the audition. Chi Xingyun said, I can do it, Sister Wei. Now she's taking off the dextrose, so she can able to go with her on audition. I want to take this movie directed by Mr. Ku. Moving to the big screen is half-time battle. We have worked hard for so long, that's why Chi Xingyun, she was really eager to take this audition. And we can let our efforts fall short, right? Chi Xingyun is asking Sister Wei. But looking at Sister Wei right now, she looks really hesitating. Well, definitely, she got really worried about her health. But for Ji Xingyun, she was really eager that she wanted to take the audition. The two of them went back to change. Well, right now, looking at Ji Xingyun, she looks really stunning. And it seems that she is more energetic. Looking at her, she is shining. Now, the two of them arrive on the venue. Xiaoji, here you come. Right now, turns out it was director Hu Dao. It's a long wait. Xingyun said to the director. Now, the director is asking her, have you read the script? Are you familiar with the plot? Well, definitely. He's preparing for this. Xingyun said, I've seen it and I'm generally familiar with it. Oh, it turns out she was really confident on herself. Let's see on what will happen. Sister Wei was on her side, always there guiding her. Right now, Director Gu is asking her to come inside. Well, when they came in, there's a lot of judges waiting. Turns out, this person is the one who's choosing if she is capable to do her part. It was the investor, producer, and the famous musician, Bosu. Well, let's see on what will happen since Ji Xingyun is really eager. Can you play a piano? The director Gu said. You can go over there and sit down at the piano. Ji Xingyun answered and said, definitely, it is her forte. So Ji Xingyun went straight to the piano. Go and sit. Right now, look at her. She seems to be calm now. Calm and collected Ji Xingyun. It seems that she is really to conquer this conquest. Right now, Sister Wei is looking at her. The director said, let's get started. Sister Wei suddenly became rattled. The director didn't tell me what kind of role she had to audition with. Well, is Xi Yuan okay? Sister Wei, she got really worried. Well, maybe she doesn't understand. Why suddenly, Director Gu asked Xi Xingyun to play a piano. Also right now, Xi Xingyun, she really make herself ready. Now, she's playing softly, playing with her heart. Definitely the sound is really calming to them. Look at her. She looks like she was really enchanted on what she's doing. Definitely, she is really calm. The feelings is really can explain. But it was all pure. Her feelings are being heightened. Look at her. So much happiness can be seen on her face. Definitely, right now, she was blushing. She was thinking that Akshu was there for her. Well, definitely, she always figures something else with Akshu. That's why right now, she is thinking that Akshu was there watching her playing. That's why Ji Xingyun, she seems to be happy. Well, it was all pure happiness. Looking at the two of them, Ji Xingyun happily playing piano, while Akshu was there waiting for her. Definitely right now, she's having a good time. Definitely, she was really happy. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!